give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be worth it. You don't gotta be perfect. You just gotta be worth it. Yeah, 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 yeah. I will give you the world.
How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? What that mean?
Okay.
You gonna tell the Rivers how you feel?
I feel okay.
It's your boy Twino. I came to the gun range for the first time. We're gonna see how this work out. Who's holding it? What leg loose? My boy let loose. You ready, Kansas? You ready to shoot something?
Yes.
You ready to You ready to GTA something?
A bit of there's pink in there. I see something pink and it's camouflage.
You got something in there. What's in there? It's Ken's first time shooting, y'all. She excited and nervous at the same time. How old are you right now? 9 years old. And today is September 21st at 3:22 on a Saturday. She got her nails done today. Show me your nails. She will go shoot with them things today. Being the youngest person here today, as you can see. You see, with Wade, they're shooting right now. No kids in here, but the one I brought. She's not even 10 yet. She's about to go shoot. I'm trying to get her ready for real life. Anything can happen tomorrow. I want Kenzie to be ready. Right? She nervous, y'all. Otherwise, she keep playing when I heard and stuff. Everybody comment down below if you like shooting, if you've been shooting.
If you haven't been shooting before, and comment down below how old you are.
Yeah, we need to know. So y'all got to comment, talk to us in the comments.
Yeah, talk to us. Talk to us. We can talk to
subscribe, hit like, comment on our page, like, share.
People keep coming out, but we haven't waited.
We're about to go in. Stop being so impatient, Mackenzie. Yeah, this is where we at, y'all. It probably look different. It's going to be backwards on the camera, but it's shoot point blank. That's the name of the place.
Shoot point blank.
Look. We about to go up in a minute, y'all. I said 3 for a half hour. That's one of us. We got half hour. Look. He shoot up all the bullets. And he got some phone pauses on. Yeah, that's my type of guy. He got them phone pauses on.
Number 3 and number 5.
I'm just ready to go get it in. Alright, gang. I said I got my do-rag on. Alright, gang. We're going to hit y'all back when we get our stuff ready. You ready, Woody?
Yes.
Hold on, y'all. Okay, how many ducks you gonna hit, Kansas?
All of them.
Kansas said if she hit all these ducks, hold up. It's our target, y'all. If Kansas hit all these ducks, she get $100 from me. Here go our target, y'all. Here go my Kansas.
The gun. Loud.
Yeah, over here by herself.
That was too loud. I cannot hear you. Taking it back. Come on.
Load it up.
Serious.
scared?
Yeah.
You got a big gun over there. This ain't even make that much noise. You recording? You scared? What you scared of?
I only hit one pig. Shooting. I didn't know you were shooting.
Right here, bro. Pop the pig. You scared? You want to shoot?
I don't know how to shoot it.
Turn it down, okay? Scared? It's your turn.
Maybe so. Huh?
I'm gonna shoot. Talk to camera. Alright, y'all. Here's the turn. I'm with her because she's nervous, y'all. Only put ooh. It's a little bit. Hold it. Now shoot with that hand. Hold it with this hand. Shoot with this hand. Put it all the way up. Pull it.
For what?
Pull it. Now, hold on. Pull the trigger till I say pull. Hands out. Hands out. Hold it. Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
That was powerful.
How you feel? How you feel?
Powerful.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, come on. By yourself. You want to do it by yourself? You got to hold it. Pull the trigger until you're ready, okay?
Can you lock it?
Hmm.
Can you lock it?
Lock it.
Huh?
It's already unlocked. Nope, no trigger. Rip it. Hand on it. All the way out. All the way out. Okay, first by yourself, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Breathe. Don't drop the gun.
Hold on. Her face. Stop her for a second. She had her thumb crossed over here.
Oh, okay.
When she shoots, it's going to cross the back like that.
I know I did that.
Time ago.
That's not on my face.
I'm trying to catch you. Watch before she do it.
You see? Yeah, it's scary. All right.
Yeah.
You're gonna pull back. So when it pulls back, it can so I can pull that over. Scary, but we'll do it. I'll be scared. Scary.
You got a do-rag on. I don't have nothing to protect your forehead. You got a do-rag on.
What?
I don't have nothing.
Come on, you gotta shoot one more time.
Huh?
You gotta shoot one more time. Who being so scared?
Can
You
you
learn
shoot it with me?
It's learning. This what
Can you
happens.
shoot it with me?
It's supposed to be cool. They can't see what's going on. Loading up again. Ready? Ready? What you want me to do?
Yeah.
Even though you
How do you bring it back?
sideways.
Oh.
I hit the pig a couple times. Way off. Okay, we're gonna do it again.
Let's see if you hit one duck. At least one. Make it harder for you.
Let's shoot one more time.
Huh? Yeah. Everybody else is so far.
They got bigger guns. No, that's not. He jumped so low. See how there you got something like this? Now put your hand on this part. You gonna shoot? Don't yell. Hold this. Fall back. So look, when you holding it, put your hand like this. Push it like this, okay? Keep control. Come on now. Turn, you know what I'm saying? Hold it with this hand. Do it again.
One trigger.
Yep.
What?
One more time. There you go. You scared? What you scared of? You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Kids in this just scared, y'all. The ones that got through shooting, you feel me? We got another one. I ain't shooting but the little thing, because I had kids with me, y'all.
Did you hit anything?
Let's see. Not all the way back. Not all the way back. There you go. There you
Hey,
go.
my man. We got a few extras left. Y'all want them?
Oh, yeah. I appreciate
All
that.
right, you shoot, girl. You shoot good now. All right, showing that stuff.
Yeah.
got the extras for free.
Let me show my target. Pull it back, Ken. Tell him quit playing with me. Dang, what a... Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Tell him don't play with me. You can knock them out.